You are about to manifest a text from your specific person while watching this video. Not next week, not someday, but right now. At most, it might take 4 minutes, maybe less. I am going to do the work for you. All you have to do is listen. Set aside your fear and doubt and follow the steps I'll guide you through. That is it. I am Janell, manifestation coach, and getting your specific person back fast expert. I've been helping people manifest messages, calls, and confessions of love for years now. Whether this is your soulmate, a crush, someone who blocks you, an ex you haven't heard from in years, or even someone who doesn't have your number yet, choose them now. Hold them in your mind because I'm about to show you exactly how to make that message appear. To do this, you must let go of fear, of the how, and of wondering when it'll happen. You must go straight to the end, the result, where it is already done. That's the energy where everything shifts. So take a breath, center yourself, and get ready because this may be the moment that changes everything. Are you ready to have your mind blown? You might feel like instant results are impossible, but that thought is exactly why you haven't seen them yet. So ask yourself honestly, am I ready to let it be easy? Because if you are, I am ready to help you create it. Manifestation isn't luck or magic, it's cause and effect. When you align your inner story, the outer world mirrors it back without fail. That's what we're doing here. You are going to follow what I say, feel what I guide you to feel, and let your mind do what it already knows how to do. Create. And by the time you finish this video, the message you want will be on its way to you. Before we start, a quick reminder. My Make Them Obsessed Ultimate Love Spell is still on sale. This is one of my most popular love spells where I manifest directly for you and your specific person. It's tailored to your exact situation and it works. Click the link below to grab it. And if you are watching this on or before Black Friday, you can use code BF30 for a bonus discount code just for you. And make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Okay, let's begin. Now I'm going to do the work with you. Yes, with you to manifest this text message right now. I have been doing this for years and I have seen it happen for thousands of people. The steps are simple, but you have to commit. So step 1, imagine your person right now. You probably already do this all the time, but usually from fear, worry, or longing. Now we're going to do it from certainty. Picture them right now holding their phone. They are thinking about you, replaying memories, wondering what you are doing, feeling that familiar pull towards you. They want to reach out. You don't have to figure out how this happens. You don't have to wonder whether they'll find the courage. Skip all that. Go straight to the version of them who has already picked up the phone. See them scrolling to your name. They hover over your contact. They take a breath. Their heart races because they know they need to talk to you. They can't hold it any longer. They need to connect. You can even picture the light from the phone screen reflecting in their eyes. That mix of nerves and excitement. They are typing your name. their fingers moving fast. They are smiling. They can't stop thinking about what they want to say. Now, you are probably used to imagining the opposite, them not caring, ignoring you, being distracted. That's the habit we are breaking right now. Your new automatic thought, your new reflex image is them preparing to text you. They are writing to you right now because they feel you, they miss you, and they want to reach out. You can picture it. You can write it down. Whatever works best for you. Just make it real. Now we go to step 2. Decide what this text actually says. Don't play small here. Don't imagine what is likely and what feels realistic. Manifestation doesn't care about realistic. Ask yourself, what do I actually want this text to say? What would make my heart skip a beat? What words would make me smile so big it hurts? If you could have a magic wand, what would appear on your screen? That's what you choose. Write it down or type it in the comments if you want to lock it in. The more vivid you make it, the faster it shows up. Now, step 3, we are going to draw it into existence with a powerful self-hypnosis manifesting prayer. We're doing this together, and I'm infusing this moment with every bit of manifesting energy I have. Now close your eyes, breathe in deeply, breathe out slowly. Let every ounce of tension drop from your shoulders. Let go of the need, the waiting, the checking. All of that energy blocks what you have already claimed. Breathe in again, peace, love, and certainty. And breathe out doubt, fear, and resistance. Now picture your person again. They are holding their phone, thinking only of you. They feel this pull, this undeniable connection. They can't explain it. They just know they have to reach out to you. They start typing. The words are filled with emotion, honesty, and warmth. Every letter vibrates with love. You can feel their energy as they hit send. It is already done. It is moving towards you right now. Say to yourself silently, it's mine. It's done. I receive it now. Now keep breathing. Inhale peace. Exhale doubtful energy. Now repeat after me. Dear universe, I come to you with faith and trust. I release all doubt about this text message. Everything I desire is already aligning perfectly for me. I let go of fear and control, knowing it is safe to receive. I am worthy of this communication. I am worthy of love and connection. My specific person is thinking of me right now. They are reaching out with certainty and care. I receive their message with gratitude and joy. Now imagine the phone lighting up, your name on their mind. Their message is arriving at the perfect moment, maybe even right now. Smile as if you have already seen it because you have it in your inner world. It is already real and the outer world must follow. You can't stop it. You have already set it in motion. Now, as we end this prayer, say in your heart, "Thank you, universe, for bringing this message to me easily and quickly. Thank you for open, honest, respectful, and flowing communication. I am grateful. I am aligned. It is done. It is mine. And so it is. Amen." Take one last deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Feel the wave of relief, that peace you feel when something's already yours. This is the feeling that makes manifestation instant. Your job now is simple. Act as if. What would you do if you had already received this text? Would you smile more? Would you relax into your day? Would you stop checking your phone every hour? You already know what it feels like when something's guaranteed. Like placing an online order. You don't chase the delivery truck. You trust it is on its way. That's the same energy here. You have placed your energetic order. The delivery is guaranteed. No need to chase, beg, or wait. No need to spiral. It is happening now. Your only job is to maintain the energy of calm certainty. The version of you who already has the message doesn't question anything. They simply expect it. That's your power. Now take another deep breath. Feel that version of yourself settle into place. The one who's calm, radiant, magnetic. That version of you is not waiting. That version is receiving. That's exactly why the message is coming through. Now it is done. The text is yours. It has already been sent in the unseen and it is traveling to you now. You will see it soon, faster than you expect. And when it arrives, you'll smile because you know it worked. Type, "They text me," to affirm it. And if you are ready to go even deeper to make your specific person obsessed, devoted, and begging to be with you, watch this next video linked here. It'll shift your energy instantly and make them crave your presence like never before. After listening, you will feel brand new, confident, magnetic, and irresistible. Click now. Your next level version starts here.